Picture this: you're rushing in the morning, craving a smoothie, but your bulky blender is a nightmare to clean. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a solution that fits right on your countertop, compact, powerful, and perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle? Today, we're unveiling the top 5 personal blenders of 2025, and trust me, some of these will blow your mind. From insane blending power to sleek, portable designs, we've tested them all. But here's the twist: not all of them are worth your money. Stick around because you won't believe which one takes the #1 spot. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Let's blend in. Number 1. Nutribullet Pro 900 Personal Blender. Nutribullet and its sister brand Magic Bullet make a wide range of personal blenders. We've tested 9 models of various sizes and power levels. All do a good job, but we decided the Pro 900 offers the best balance of price and performance. Its 900-watt motor crushed ice into a consistent milkshake-like texture in a frozen hot chocolate, and it made perfectly smooth, pourable hummus. It also did a great job with fruit, avocado, and chia seeds in our test smoothie, though some grit was left behind from the kale. The Pro 900 also comes in 15 different matte and metallic colorways, a nice bonus for what's typically a utilitarian appliance. The body seemed well built and made a good seal in testing with the cups, which you press and twist to lock in place and start blending. This makes using the Nutribullet very easy, but it also means there aren't any speed or timer settings. You can choose between on and off, and nothing else. This package includes 32 and 24-ounce cups, with one sealing flip-top lid and 2 screw-on lip rings for sipping. One has a mug-style handle. That's an okay assortment, but we wish there were other smaller, portable options, as the 32-ounce vessel might not fit in a car cup holder. With that said, there are lots of Nutribullet accessories you can buy separately, including smaller cups and extra lids. Number 2. Beast Mini Blender Plus. The most striking thing about Beast blenders is their fluted glass containers with silicone bases, which are easy to grip, look distinctive, and feel more luxurious to hold than a plain plastic cup. The Beast Mini Blender Plus includes 3 cup sizes with an interchangeable set of solid storage lids, a sipping lid with a carrying handle, and a straw lid. It has a push-button pulse mode and a 1-minute automatic blend cycle, so it can make you a fully blended smoothie all by itself or work a few seconds at a time to create a chunky salsa, more like a food processor. The Beast Mini Blender Plus is more versatile and has more accessories than the Nutribullet Pro 900 above for about the same price, but we put it in second place because it's less powerful. Its 600-watt motor melted much of the ice for the frozen hot chocolate before it could fully blend, resulting in a frothy but not slushy mix. We also found it tough to get thick mixtures like hummus fully scooped out of the ridges inside the cup, though the included cleaning tools help. Number 3. Cuisinart Soho Personal Blender. Cuisinart's Soho blender looks a lot more expensive than it is. The minimalist base and cup, available in creamy truffle or warm black, are striking, and there's also a pulse button and an automatic blend setting. The motor has lower wattage than others of our favorites, but we achieved excellent texture with the Soho by just letting it run. It fully broke down the spinach and other ingredients in our smoothie, leaving behind no fibers or seeds, though it took a few minutes. It works better when the cup isn't packed full, which helps us get a light, fluffy, and still frozen hot chocolate. Unfortunately, the Soho is also minimalist when it comes to accessories. Its single cup has a single lid, and that's all you get. Number 4. Nutribullet Ultra Personal Blender NB50500. The Nutribullet Ultra is an upgrade from the Nutribullet Pro 900 in power, controls, and accessories with a price tag to match. It boasts a 1,200-watt motor that tore through everything we tested, and unlike the Pro, the Ultra has a pulse button to control blending more precisely. There are 2 slightly different Nutribullet Ultra options. The standard version comes in 5 colors and includes 3 cups. The deluxe upgrade is a special silver machine with a bonus 4th cup and reusable metal straws. Either package represents a price increase over the Pro 900, which we're not sure will be worth it for everybody. The increased power didn't make a huge difference in testing, as both machines did quite well on all counts. If you have a lot of smoothie drinkers at home, the Ultra could be a good idea simply for the extra cups, for people can all head off to work or school with their morning beverages. No need to share. Number 5. Our Place Splendor Blender. You're likely to use your personal blender day in and day out, so it ought to be something you enjoy looking at. Our Place's Splendor Blender stood out for its 4 trendy muted color options. Our Place's other items, including staff-favorite dinnerware sets and non-toxic cookware, are all available in the same palette for a complete matching kitchen. But the Splendor Blender was no slouch in the performance department either. Its 1000-watt motor blitzed through our test smoothie ingredients once they got unstuck from the bottom of the cup and fell into the blades. We had a similar experience with hummus. We had to thin the mixture with a little extra liquid to get it to blend, but once it did, it incorporated even the smallest bits of chickpea skin. We noticed that this blender's motor heated up more than competitors. It wasn't enough to make us worry about burning or damage, but the warmth melted the ice in our frozen hot chocolate. It came out more ice-cold than actually icy. The base model Splendor Blender includes just 1 cup and lid, though you can add an extra set with the personal kit or a large pitcher and small sauce cup with the everything kit. So, which personal blender are you grabbing for 2025? Whether it's the powerhouse at number 1 or the budget-friendly pick at number 3, you can't go wrong with any of these. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab your favorite, and hey, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more game-changing reviews like this. Until next time, stay healthy and keep blending like a pro. See you in the next video.